Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So gray hair can be gorgeous, and it can also wash us out and make us look older than we really want to look, right? So today I invited my friend Tracy Joe to address this problem and see how we can use makeup to brighten our faces and enhance our silver hair. So we're going to cover 4 steps: skin, eyebrows, eyes, and lips. And at the very end, I will give a very simple breakdown of the 5 products I used to achieve this. 4 steps, 5 products. Let's do it. I start with vitamin C serum, and then I go into Color Change Foundation. It's a self-adjusting shade technology for fair to medium skin tones. It goes on white, as you can see, and then it morphs to your own skin color. It's breathable, buildable, and doesn't set in fine lines. That looks great. Next, I'm grabbing some concealer, and I'm applying it with my ring finger on top of the foundation. I prefer to do it this way so that it doesn't set in fine lines and I don't use as much concealer. And as you can see, it really helps to remove the red around her eye area. Next, I'm grabbing a color for her eyebrows, an eyebrow pencil called Silver Queen. I love this color. It goes really well with gray hair. And then I use very small strokes to fill in her eyebrows. I love this. It looks very, very natural. It works great. It stays on, and it helps to shape her eyes and bring her eyes out more. Then I'm adding just a little bit of brow gel. This is not an absolutely necessary step. I think if you want to do this, it helps your eyebrows stand up more and open up your eye area a bit more than just a pencil would do. This is some contour. This is not an absolutely necessary step. I like to do it because it warms up the skin and it frames her face, but you probably don't need to do this. Next, I'm adding lips. So I put on a peachy lipstick. As you can see, this color looks beautiful on her skin color. I'm also going to do a really warm blush. And then I add a lip liner that pretty much matches the lip color, and I do the lip liner after the lipstick because I think this is a softer, more diffused look. It helps her lips to look really sharp. Then I toss on a little bit of Nude Glow for gloss. After that, I'm grabbing Toffee. I love this color. This color looks great on fair to medium skin tones. I apply it all over the lid, as you can see, and under her eye, and it really pops her blue eyes. It also really pops green eyes. It's a gorgeous, neutral, kind of warm brown color. Really is gorgeous on her and very easy to apply. Then I just tap it in with a flat brush, or you can use your finger. Fingers are great as well. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Next, I'm grabbing a Mulberry Eye Liner. This is a great kind of purpley shade. I use it right next to her eyelashes. I'm very careful to get it between her lashes so that it's not a very thick line, but it's very precise so that it can really lift up her eyes and open up her eyes. This color is spectacular. Then I'm adding the exact same color in her waterline. Purples definitely bring out blue in eyes as well as green eyes. Then I'm using a blender brush just to soften down that line so that it doesn't look too liney. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Then I'm grabbing Mocha. This is a lovely warm brown, and I'm just putting it between her lashes underneath her eyes so that it's not very thick. Gorgeous. Then I'm adding a color called Nebula just in her outer crease, and I tap it in again with the brush just to give her hooded eyes a little bit of a lift in that outer corner. It works very well. Look at that. Stunning. Lastly, I'm tossing on some mascara. This is a Prime Prometics mascara. I love it. Lengthening and thickening. Really lengthens her lashes. And this is the final product. I think the scarf is gorgeous. I love her hair kind of twisted down like that. Beautiful look. I love this look, and we did it with 4 steps and 5 products. So here's the breakdown. I used the new Color Change Foundation from Prime Prometics. It goes on white and it sets to match your skin tone. Amazing. Silver Queen brow pencil and brow gel if you want. Mulberry eyeliner, which I love. I'm wearing it right now. Plus 1 to 2 cream eyeshadows like Toffee and Stardust. That's what I used. And lastly, a lip color that suits your skin tone. On Tracy Jo, I used Nude Glow. After adding some soft waves around Tracy Jo's face, she is ready to go with her beautiful scarf. This look should not take you longer than 10 minutes, and it's very, very pretty and easy. Please let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue making content for you. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.